Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. In this video, we're going to take a look at this cat tourniquet. It's not what you think. This one is not as it appears. You would think by just looking at it very quickly on a YouTube video, on an Amazon listing, things like that, or in passing when a firefighter is carrying it, or a police officer is carrying it, or an average civilian is carrying this tourniquet right here, that it was a North American Rescue cat tourniquet made in the USA. Well, some things are not as they appear. This one is a good counterfeit. This one is not made in America. This one is made in China, where they do not have the set standards that we have here in America. This one is a toy. It is not a medical device, which makes it a problem that it could kill somebody. So we'll take a look at this one a little bit close up and let you know how I saw it right off the bat, that I thought this was a fake, and that we'll take a look at it. I've practiced with this one and it does not tighten up very well. You make turns, and it does not tighten up enough to actually make it a tourniquet. So when I saw this one in a pouch, all I saw was like basically this part right here sticking out, and I was like, huh, that's interesting. We were doing training with the fire department. One of the officers had it on his, one of the firefighters had it on his radio strap, and it was here, and I just kind of saw that part, and I was like, huh, that's interesting. I've got a pretty good eye for tourniquets. I saw the Gen 7 windlass here with the white tab, and I was like, something's wrong with that tourniquet, because the black Gen 7 tourniquets have a gray strap here. The orange ones do have a white, but that's a problem. So I was like, boop, let me borrow that just for a second. Let me see this first, just a quick second. So I looked at that, and then I looked at this red tip right here, and immediately saw that that did not look appropriate. So I was like, all right, cool. Open up here on the back plate. It's absolutely nothing. There's no printing. There's no North American Rescue, CAT resources, nothing here. So this is a Chinese toy that was made in China, and it's a toy. It's not a life-saving device. So if we take a side-by-side comparison here, you see the windlasses actually look pretty close. There's some differences there. Got 2 notches there, only 1 notch, and then it goes 3, so then 3. So but right here on the tip, here you can see there is a difference there. Come down, and we have a white tab versus a gray tab. Pretty good there. The back is what I was talking about here. So you can see CAT on this one, smooth here. Both the exact, let's see, actually, are they? Yeah, they're the same length. You can see a little bit of difference there in the base plate, like how it's made. And they're pretty much the same length. And then you can see the difference in the red tab. So this one over here is the fake one. This one over here is the real one. Alright, so we'll test it out. This is the fake one here. Make sure I got it straight. There we go. Pull it tight. And look at there. It is ripping as I turn it. Let's see. So, oh, it ripped right there. The understitching, yeah, you can see where it's pulling through and ripping right there. So, tighten it up, and you can see the stitching rips. Just as I was trying to tighten it up. So, there you go. Just ripped apart. That is why don't buy off Amazon. So yeah, I don't trust these things to work in real life. The manufacturer standards are not there. If you're going to look at a tourniquet, North American Rescue, also Medical Gear Outfitters, my company, which supports the YouTube channel, supports my wife and kids, my family, multiple other families. We're a distributor for North American Rescue, so we're getting a real cat tourniquet. So purchase from us. I would appreciate it. This where you get genuine CAT tourniquets, and they're not going to fail on you. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.